Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and I'd just like to mention, if you're a gas engineer, you can watch hundreds of my how-to and overview videos in my boiler repair library. More about that at the end of the video. In today's boiler, we're looking at an ideal mini HE24. Now, this particular boiler, it's made by Biazi. You may know that already, may not. So it's very similar to a Biazi. But today's we got a bit of a challenge because someone else has been out to its boiler and said that it basically needs a new one. They've condemned it, said it's too expensive to repair. So we've come out to see if we can fix it in a economical budget. So in this video, Miles is going to be with me today doing his training. So he's got the challenge as well. He's going to learn as we go along, and so will you. It's turned off here, so I'll just turn it on. We've seen if anything's happening. No, the fuse could be taken out. I'm just checking if it's got a fuse in there. No fuse. Okay, so we need a 3-amp fuse. As you can see, there's no timer on the front. There normally is. It's normally here, but on this one it's got an external one which is here. So we're going to turn it on. So that's on. You can hear the diverter valve making, arm moving, actuator. Now you can hear a buzzing noise. To me that sound is coming from the pump. So what we're going to do, we're going to check the voltage going to the pump. But that's what it sounds like to me. So what we're going to do, we'll turn the power off. We're going to pull this off here like this. Or Miles can help me, a bit stiff. That's it. So what we're going to do, just turn it around there like that. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put our multimeter probably across the 2 outside pins. We'll try that first to see if we get any voltage. You can see I've got my multimeter connected here. You can see across the 2 outside pins. If you look at the multimeter itself, you can see the voltage that's present. So that proves that is the pump that was making that buzzing noise. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to reconnect it. Watch this. You can hear that buzzing noise again. Conclusive proof. Now, if you remember what I said earlier, these guys, other guys come to this boiler and said it needs a new one, loads of expensive repairs to be done to it. So as you know, we've got the pump we need to replace, which is not too bad. But what I want to know if the boiler really fires up as well. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to basically make the boiler fire up, like the pump running, just for a short period, just to prove that the boiler works. Okay Miles, what we're going to do, this is basically the pump flow switch here. And we're going to basically make that start, because basically when the pump runs, it makes that switch, and that's why the boiler's not firing up. So we're going to remove this clip here. So use your pliers, lift that clip upwards, and it should release the flow switch. That's it. So the next thing I'm going to do is, if you look at that bar there below the switch, we're going to use our screwdriver and push that in, because that's what this push rod, that's what that does. It engages on there because the pump pushes it out to make sure the pump's running. So we're going to simulate that now with our screwdriver. So now just shove that in there. That's it. And you can hear the fan. Keep it in. You can hear the fan running. It's trying to spark. It's not fired as yet. Let's see if the gas is on. Let go. You can let go of that now. The gas is turned off, that's why. Okay, so we'll turn the gas on. We're going to repeat that again now, so let's do that again. And there you go. It's lit up. Let go now, turn it off because it'll overheat. So that proves the boiler is working, and these guys, what they said, well, they're master at the basics, they've not got the proper understanding how the boiler works, and you're seeing it live on stage for yourself. So what we're going to have to do is get a new pump for the boiler, and then it'll work hopefully as normal. About the pump, you can see here that this automatic air vent, it's on the right. Now some of them you get which is on the left, the automatic air vent, so you've got to be very careful with that because the pumps are different. So you can see the setup on this one, that's the type you get. So that's the end of today's video. So like I said, you can watch hundreds of my how-to and overview videos. So all you need to do is look in the description below to find out how you can access the boiler repair library today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.